Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 ways to make life-changing money with AI in 2025. Imagine making $10,000 per month using AI tools that didn't even exist last year. I know it sounds crazy, but in 2025, artificial intelligence has opened up opportunities that most people haven't even discovered yet. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 proven ways people are building wealth with AI right now. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. I'll share real examples, including how one of my students went from $0 to $8,000 monthly income in just 90 days using method number 7. Stay until the end for a bonus strategy that requires zero coding knowledge. And let me tell you something. What I'm about to share isn't just theory. I've personally tested each of these methods, and I'll show you exactly what works and what doesn't. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Let me tell you the story of Mark, an 18-year-old college student. 6 months ago, Mark was struggling to scale his online business. He was working 60-hour weeks and burning out fast. While his YouTube channel was growing, his income wasn't keeping up with the effort he was putting in. He found himself stuck in the classic entrepreneur's trap, trading time for money. Everything changed when Mark discovered how to leverage AI tools to automate his work. Within 3 months, he had tripled his income while cutting his work hours in half. Since then, the AI market has exploded, growing by 300% in early 2025. According to recent market research, only 2% of online entrepreneurs are fully utilizing AI capabilities, leaving 98% of the opportunity untapped. Mark's story is a testament to the incredible potential of AI, and today, I'll show you exactly how to seize this opportunity for yourself. Let's start with method number 1. Launching an AI content creation agency. The demand for content is skyrocketing, but here's what most people don't know. Businesses are desperate for AI-powered content that actually converts. Last month, I landed a client who paid $5,000 for a month of AI-generated content. But let me break down exactly how this works. First, you'll need 3 key tools: Claude AI for writing, Midjourney for images, and Content Fusion for optimization. Total investment? About $150 per month. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just offer content creation. Bundle it with SEO optimization and social media repurposing. Let me share a step-by-step process for landing your first client. Start by joining local business Facebook groups. Don't pitch right away. Spend a week providing valuable comments on posts about marketing and content creation. Then, create a case study post showing before and after results of AI-optimized content. My first post like this got 47 comments from interested business owners. Here's the exact message I sent to interested prospects. I noticed you're interested in improving your content. Would you like a free sample article for your business? I'll create it using our AI system and optimize it for your target keywords. Out of 10 messages, 7 people said yes, and 3 became paying clients. Now, let's talk pricing strategy. Start with a basic package at $997 per month, which includes 4 blog posts, 8 social media posts, and 2 email newsletters. Your premium package should be $2,997, including everything in the basic package plus video scripts and custom images. With just 5 clients at the basic level, you're looking at $5,000 monthly revenue. The best part? Once you set up your systems, each client only requires about 4 hours of work per week. Method number 2, AI art marketplace business. The AI art market has matured significantly in 2025, but there's still a massive opportunity most people are missing. Instead of selling individual pieces, create themed collections for specific industries. Let me introduce you to Sarah, one of my students. She was a struggling graphic designer 6 months ago. Now she generates $5,000 monthly selling AI-created art for real estate listings. Here's her exact process. She uses Stable Diffusion to create stunning interior designs, then sells them as packages to realtors. Sarah's success comes from her systematic approach. She doesn't just create random art. She studies real estate photography trends and creates AI art that matches current interior design styles. She packages her art into collections: modern minimalist, luxury estate, and cozy home. Each collection includes 20 images, and she sells them with commercial rights. The basic package is $97, and the premium package with exclusivity rights is $297. She lists them on ArtStation, Creative Market, and her own Gumroad store. Here's a crucial tip most people miss. Create vertical-specific collections. Don't just make generic art. Create collections for dentist offices, law firms, tech startups, and other industries with big marketing budgets. Sarah's highest-selling collection, Tech Office Spaces, which has made over $12,000 in passive income. The key is understanding your target market's specific needs. For example, law firms need images that convey trust and professionalism, while tech startups want modern, innovative visuals. Method number 3. AI prompt engineering consulting. This is probably the most undervalued opportunity in the AI space right now. Companies are realizing that the difference between mediocre and exceptional AI output comes down to prompt engineering. Let me share a recent example. I helped a marketing agency reduce their content creation costs by 62% just by optimizing their AI prompts. As a prompt engineer, you're not just writing instructions, you're crafting precision tools that save businesses thousands of dollars. The best part? You can learn this skill in under 30 days. Start with the free course from Prompt Genius, then practice with real business cases. But here's what will set you apart. Create industry-specific prompt libraries. I charge $150 per hour for custom prompt creation, but my real money comes from monthly retainers. Here's my exact package structure. Basic prompt optimization at $997 per month. Advanced AI integration at $2,997 per month, and enterprise solutions at $5,997 per month. Method number 4. AI software reseller program. This is the easiest way to start making money with AI right now. Companies like OpenAI, Jasper, and Anthropic offer generous affiliate programs, but here's the twist. Don't just share affiliate links. Create comprehensive comparison videos and detailed tutorials. One of my community members makes $3,000 monthly just from comparing different AI writing tools on YouTube. Focus on solving specific problems for specific industries, and the commissions will follow. Here's the strategy that's working best right now. Create detailed comparison videos between different AI tools. For example, Claude versus ChatGPT for e-commerce product descriptions, or Jasper versus Copy.ai for email marketing. These specific comparisons attract highly qualified buyers who are already interested in purchasing. Then, create follow-up tutorials showing how to use each tool effectively. The key is building trust through honest, detailed reviews before promoting your affiliate links. Method number 5. AI-powered freelance writing. Now, this isn't your typical freelance writing gig. With AI, you can deliver high-quality content in a fraction of the time. I use a combination of Claude and GPT-4 to write specialized technical content. The key is developing custom templates for different content types. Start with blog posts at $200 each, then scale to white papers at $1,000 plus. Here's my exact process. First, create template prompts for different content types, product reviews, how-to guides, case studies, and more. Then use AI to generate the first draft, but here's the crucial part. Develop a systematic editing process. I call it the triple check method. First pass for technical accuracy, second for brand voice, and third for human touch and storytelling. This way, you're not just using AI to write faster, you're using it to write better. Method number 6. Local business AI consultant. Local businesses are struggling to implement AI effectively. That's your opportunity. Create 3 service packages. Basic AI implementation at $2,500, advanced integration at $5,000, and complete digital transformation at $12,000. Start with restaurants. Show them how AI can optimize their menus, automate their social media, and handle customer service. I recently helped a local restaurant save $4,000 monthly in staff costs using AI tools. The key to success in this niche is creating industry-specific packages. For restaurants, focus on menu optimization, inventory management, and customer service automation. For retail stores, concentrate on inventory prediction, customer behavior analysis, and personalized marketing. Always start with a free AI readiness assessment. This helps you understand their needs and demonstrates the value you can provide. Method number 7. AI course creation. This is how my student went from $0 to $8,000 monthly in 90 days. He created a course teaching real estate agents how to use AI for property descriptions and market analysis. Here's the formula. Choose a specific industry, solve a specific problem, and price it at $997. Use platforms like Teachable or Podia, and build a simple marketing funnel using Facebook ads. But here's what made his course successful. He didn't try to teach everything about AI. Instead, he focused on one specific problem: helping real estate agents write better property listings using AI. His course includes templates, prompts, and step-by-step tutorials. The key is including live Q&A sessions to justify the premium pricing. Students get direct access to you twice a month to ask questions and get personalized feedback. Method number 8. AI trading bot development. Now, let me be absolutely clear. This isn't about promising guaranteed returns. Instead, focus on creating tools for data analysis and trend identification. You'll need to understand Python basics, but platforms like TradeStation make it easier than ever. Start by creating a simple bot that identifies trading patterns, then license it to traders for $99 monthly. Here's the responsible way to approach this. Create educational content about AI and trading, develop tools for analysis rather than automated trading, and always include proper risk disclaimers. Focus on helping traders make informed decisions rather than promising automated profits. One of my students creates custom indicators using AI that help traders identify potential market trends. He charges $499 for custom indicator development and $99 monthly for access to his indicator suite. Method number 9, AI voiceover artist. The demand for voice content is exploding, and AI voices are becoming indistinguishable from humans. Start with 11 Labs Premium at $22 monthly, create custom voice clones, and offer services on Fiverr and Upwork. Price your services at $50 per 1,000 words, and focus on audiobook and video script narration. Here's what's working best. Create demos in different styles: professional, conversational, enthusiastic. Then, target specific niches like e-learning companies, YouTube creators, and podcast producers. One of my students specializes in creating AI voices for children's audiobooks. She charges $200 per hour of finished audio and has more work than she can handle. Method number 10. AI research report writer. Companies are hungry for AI market research, but they don't know how to compile and analyze the data. Use tools like Claude for data analysis and visualization. Then package your findings into professional reports. Charge $2,500 per comprehensive report, focusing on specific industries or technologies. The key to success here is specialization. Choose one industry, healthcare, finance, or retail, and become the go-to AI research expert in that space. Create a template report structure that includes market trends, competitive analysis, and implementation strategies. Build relationships with technology consulting firms who need regular reports. One of my clients pays $5,000 monthly for 2 detailed AI implementation reports. Now for the bonus strategy I promised: AI marketing agency. But here's the twist. Focus exclusively on email marketing automation. Use GPT-4 to write engaging email sequences, Claude for personalization, and AI tools for subject line optimization. Bundle this with basic landing page creation and charge $1,500 monthly per client. Start with local service businesses. They typically see ROI within the first month. Here's the package that's working best. 4 email sequences per month. A/B testing of subject lines, personalized content based on user behavior, and monthly performance reports. One real estate agent using this system generated $42,000 in commissions from a single email campaign. If you're ready to start your AI business journey, click the link in the description to sign up with Go High Level. It's my #1 recommendation for anyone looking to start a white label SaaS business. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI money-making opportunities. Drop a comment below with which method you're most excited to try, and I'll personally respond to help you get started.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.